Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hong Kong style Jingdu Zha Jiang Mian or Hong Kong style Jingdu fried sauce noodles. So let's start cooking. I'll now prepare the pork for marination. This is 330 grams of pork loin. It's actually on the back part of the pig. So I'm going to trim off the fats right now. Those visible fats like this, you just cut it off. In Chinese, this is known as zhu yao rou. It's amazingly tender and it's perfect for stir fry. One of the secrets to making pork tender is to cut against the grains. These are the grains. I'll show you how I cut it now. These are the grains, so I'm just going to cut them thinly like this. Just slice it down. Right, this is how I cut against the grain. Now we need to slice it a little bit thin like this, because later we will still be cutting them to form thin strips. Okay, let me just show you. So we'll pile a few pieces of this together and then just cut it down like this again. So continue with the rest of the pork, and after this I'll show you how I marinate the pork. I've finished cutting up the pork to thin strips like this. So now I'm just going to do a light seasoning. Add in dashes of pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix them up well and set them aside while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. We are going to fry the sauce now. I'm using the oil rendered out from lard, 100 grams of it. So the oil, if it's too much, just reduce it a little bit. Add in 10 grams of ginger, 4 shallots chopped up, 4 garlic, 4 pieces of garlic or 4 cloves of garlic chopped up too. Give it a good stir. Now if you want to know how to make crispy lard, I have a link on the top of my video which you can click later. So fry until fragrant. Don't burn them, use medium heat. Smells really good right now. So I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of spicy bean paste or douban jiang. 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. And 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now, the reason why I'm using tomato ketchup as well as tomato paste, because I want the tomato paste to be more pronounced, hence I'm using the paste inside here. So just mix them up well together, fry them. Look at how beautiful this is. This was the basis of our sauce. Smells really good now. Now in Hong Kong, the Jingdu Zha Jiang Mian or the Jingdu fried sauce noodles, actually they put in ketchup, but if you were to visit China and have their Zha Jiang Mian, they don't put ketchup inside it also. We are doing the Hong Kong version now, so that's why we are adding in the ketchup as well as the tomato paste. Now we add in our pork. Stir them up and spread them out. This will be so good with the noodles. When you have separated out the pork like this, we'll add in water because we need the sauce. I'm using 2 cups of water here. So now we'll put the lid on and let them boil for about 5 to 8 minutes. 8 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, beautiful. Give it a stir. We'll give this a taste now, just to make sure that it's savory enough for us, it's sweet enough for us, as well as it's sour enough for us. Wow, nice. I do think that we need a little bit more of a ketchup. I'm going to add in 2 more tablespoons of tomato ketchup. I require a little bit of seasoning too, 1 teaspoon of sugar, as well as 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's give this a good stir, mix them up well, and we'll try it one more time. Yummy. I think we will need to sweeten this up a little bit more. The wife said in Hong Kong, the noodle that she had was actually pretty sweet, so I'll add in 1 more teaspoon of sugar. Now prepare some cornstarch solution. We need to thicken this up. Okay, now we need to thicken up the sauce with cornstarch solution. Slowly drip them in and stir them while you are dripping the cornstarch solution in. It has to be a little bit thick because we want the sauce to be sticking onto the noodles. It smells really good. Okay, this is the thickness that we want. Now we turn off the heat and we'll prepare our noodles. Now we're going to blanch the noodles. I'll be using Hong Kong egg noodles. Make sure that the water is boiling before you put the noodles in so that they won't clump up together. So now we put them in. I'm cooking 2 bundles at this moment. Now I need to run this through cold water to wash the flour out so that this will taste much better. Right, and just cook them up again. Let it dry. And we'll put it back into the boiling water, this time to really cook up the noodles. So the noodles are done. Now we remove the noodles from the water, rinse it dry, and we just need to pour the sauce on the noodles. To assemble this dish, you simply just need to scoop some meat and sauce over the noodles. Be generous. I've also blanched some kailan over there to make this meal more wholesome. This is going to be so good. And now our meal is done. Let's have a taste. Mix it up a little bit. Eating this makes me want to sing this song. Hong Kong, Hong Kong, Kowloon, Kowloon, Hong Kong. Really reminds me of Hong Kong. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we cook our Hong Kong style Jingbu Zhajiang Mian. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.